So I built an entire client project using Claude Code only, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it exactly. As you can see, it's a project in the Claude Code and I get it started with what I want to do. And so I keep on explaining, and what Claude is doing, it is creating files inside my computer with the project, and it's following up with everything. And as I follow up with more and more prompts, I give it access to my Hostinger, I give it access to n8n, I give it access to Retail AI. And so what it does is it creates all these automations at the back end in n8n. As you can see, all these are available through MCP to Claude Code, and Claude is connected to n8n using MCP. If I show you the customized version and connectors, here we have n8n and Gmail. Gmail is not relevant, but we are using n8n to build this, and Claude through MCP is connected with n8n, and it's able to generate all these automations for me as I go on and explain what I want. So all these automations at the back end, it's a real estate qualification system where whenever we land a lead in Go High Level, we just connect it to n8n. n8n is connected to Retail AI and it gives them a call. So it was able to build this entire project using prompting only. And I think I'm really concerned about the future of AI agencies. I do not think it is going to be click and go. It's more about prompting only. I'm going to show you more here. So this one is specifically relevant and it's really funny. I told my Claude to set up tool calls for me, and I should be able to fetch the 7 days availability through the bookings, and I should be able to do booking. So now Claude has access to my Retail AI, it has access to Go High Level, and it has access to n8n. So what it did is it went and created all these functions, tool calls, which returns availabilities of 7 days or a specific day, and it's able to do bookings. So in the backend in n8n, it created tools. As you can see, tool book meeting, get availability, get for 7 days. And I'm going to show you a live demo of it actually built and it works. So let's talk to the Retail. So here's what I prompted my Retail AI to show me the availabilities of the calendar, and it was able to show me the availability, and I could also prompt it to book an appointment, but we're not demoing it here. We're just trying to talk about the Retail. We're just talking about Claude AI, and here is how it's working. Everything is done through Claude Code. I literally did not have to do anything on my own. I remember when I was building these lead qualification systems myself that would qualify lead, connect it to Go High Level, and also do follow-ups, I had to do a lot of work. It would take us like 7 days to build one of these agents ourselves. Now Claude is able to do everything itself, and I just have to connect all these tools together through MCP, through API, and even able to host my n8n through a custom domain. And I actually do not know what exactly is going on in the back end. This is the power of Claude Code, and I definitely think this is the future that we are moving into. To build all these flows, all these n8n flows that are connected to the Go High Level calendar and are also connected to Retail AI to book meetings, I would have to spend like 7 days just to build, not even talking about testing. At this point, I'm just taking information from my client and I'm just putting it to Claude, and I'm just talking to Claude back and forth, and it's able to do everything itself. By the way, I'm an AI consultant. If you are learning Claude Code and if you want to know how it applies in your company, in your business, you can contact me. I'll help you build this system so that you can talk to it and it builds for you.